Hey everybody, I'm looking at the FICO scores, and one of the things that really affects FICO scores is something called harsh acceleration and harsh braking. Now, to help you understand what those are and how it's calculated, you need to remember the 3-second rule. 3 seconds. 3 seconds to accelerate up to 30 miles an hour and you're good. 3 seconds or longer to decelerate or brake from 30 miles an hour down to 0 and you're good. If you accelerate faster to 30 miles an hour in under 3 seconds, it's going to trigger an unsafe driving event. On the other hand, the same thing. If you're going 30 miles an hour and you brake to 0 and you do it under 30 seconds, it will trigger an unsafe driving event. So what you want to do is be able to count to 3. 1001, 1002, 1003. 3 seconds is basically what it takes. Now, I remember when I was growing up playing football as a kid, and we used to count gators, right? 1 alligator, 2 alligators, 3 alligators, and that would be 3 seconds. But of course, in our minds, we would count it this way: 1 gator, 2 gators, 3 gators, and we're done in like less than a second. Now that doesn't make sense, right? So what we want to do is we cannot trick the computer on board our vans by counting faster. 1001, 1002, 1003. We can't do that. It's going to count 3 seconds. So 3 seconds to accelerate from 0 up to 30 miles an hour or longer, or take 3 seconds or longer to go from 30 miles an hour down to 0. So here I am. I'm at a stop right now. I'm going to accelerate up to 30 miles an hour, and I'm going to try and do it in longer than 3 seconds. Here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. Took me 8 seconds to get up to 30 miles an hour. And that's safe. My FICO score is in the 800s. Okay, now we're going to go down to 0. So 30 miles an hour, here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Took me 6 seconds there. That's smooth driving. That's what we can do. So the question is whether or not whether you can do it, because I know you can do it, because I can do it. It's whether you want to do it, whether you're willing to do it. And honestly, by rapid acceleration and rapid braking, you're not going to get to your destination and make more deliveries. It's just not going to happen. The only thing that's going to happen is you're going to be flagged for being an unsafe driver. I want everybody to get their scores above 750 on FICO. And one of the things to do is to remember 3 seconds and count it right. 1001, 1002, 1003, and you're going to be fine on harsh acceleration and harsh braking. Always take longer than 3 seconds to get up to 30 miles an hour. Always take longer than 3 seconds to slow the vehicle down. So that means you have to anticipate. You have to be looking at least 3 seconds ahead and seeing on your GPS, hey, I got to slow down here, come off the gas, let your speed start coming down, so it takes you at least 3 seconds or more before you come to a complete stop. All right, be safe out there.